Hello students, good morning. Class 9th and the topic narration is on progress. Today we will discuss about exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence means these sentences which have an interjection. The sentences which shows a feeling of joy, feeling of sadness or sorrow, feeling of surprise. Suddenly, these sentences have some exclamatory words and an exclamatory mark. My dear students, here we are going to discuss about the narration part, exclamatory sentence. The students who belong to English medium students, English medium schools. So, first of all, we will write here some exclamatory words. The words are alas, hooray, hurrah, wow, ouch, bravo, what, how, oh, ah, aha, ha ha. These are some words that are known as exclamatory words. My dear students, in reported speech, the clause is RV and the clause is RS. The clause is RV, the clause is RS. In reported speech, we will get exclamatory word with exclamatory mark, means interjection. And in reported speech, the sentence express the feeling of joy, feeling of sorrow or sadness, feeling of surprise, feeling of disgust suddenly. These are some words. Alas, it expresses the feeling of sorrow. Hooray, hurrah, express the feeling of joy. So, there are so many words, but we will know what the sentence express here according to the full sentence or the words given in reported speech. We will write here the sentence of direct narration. The sentence is, my friend said, alas, I have lost the match. Dear students, this is the exclamatory word and with it exclamatory mark means interjection, and here also you can get an interjection or exclamatory mark. We will get at least one exclamatory mark in reported speech or two exclamatory mark. So we will change direct into indirect. My friend. And sad will be changed into exclaimed with. Mind it. Sad will be changed into exclaimed with. If RS clause express the feeling of sorrow, then we will write exclaimed with sorrow. If reported speech express the feeling of joy, we will write exclaimed with joy. If RS clause has a feeling of surprise, then we will write here exclaimed with surprise. In RS or reported speech, here the full sentence expresses the feeling of sorrow that, alas, I have lost the match, means I have lost the match, means I wanted to win the match, but no, it is a sorrow. So I express my feeling of sadness. Alas, I have lost. Hooray, I have won the match. Here the feeling of sadness. So we will write exclaimed with sorrow. And connector that is applied in this type of sentences. In this type of sentences, that connector is always applied. My friend exclaimed with sorrow that. These words and marks means if reported speech has interjection or exclamatory word or mark, we remove these marks completely from reported speech. Sorrow, that, I. First person, subjective pronoun will be changed according to the subject of RV. RV subject is my friend. My friend means the pronoun will be he or she. My friend expresses both he or she. So you can change I into he or she. Then we will change the tense, and tense is present perfect. You will change it into past perfect. Have will be changed into had. Have into had. Lost this match or lost the match. This is your first sentence in exclamatory sentences. Next, the thief said, Ayyo, something has bitten me. The sentence is, Ayyo, something has bitten me. The word Ayyo is not given here. I have written some words that express or that means exclamatory words, but the word Ayyo is not given here. It is a different word. No matter, my dear students, you can get any word with exclamatory mark, but the RS clause express the feeling of sadness. So in this sentence you will change indirect. The thief said, something has bitten me, means something has bitten. Bite, the third form of bite. If you cut or bite someone with your teeth, then we will write here bite or use here bite form. If you cut something with a weapon, with a tool, then we will write cut. To cut any crop, we use creep. Okay? Sorry, reap. R-E-A-P. Reap. Reap means to cut any crop, and creep means go slowly. creep means क्या होता है? go slowly, धीरे धीरे चलना. अब थोड़ा सा इसमें हिंदी बात कर लेते हैं. bite means दांतों से काटना. cut means औजार हथियार से काटना. reap means किसी फसल को काटना. slice means इस तरीके से काटना. ओके, चलिए इसके बाद we will discuss everything in English. We will change here the thief said to change into exclaimed with sorrow. IO will be removed. That something is a noun. We will not change a noun. Has into had, bitten, and me is the object of first person. We will change me according to the thief and write here him means thief he, or you can write here her, H-E-R. Her is also the object. Some more sentence. The captain said, aha, I have won the war. The sentence, the captain said, I have won the war. The captain said will be changed into exclaimed with joy. Means the sentence or the clause expresses the feeling of joy. Connector is that. IO will be removed. AHA will be removed here. I is the first person. According to the captain, you can write here he, she, and also they. Why? Because captain expresses here he or she. But mind it, captain alone did not win the war. But with the help of soldiers, with the help of complete army, with the help of battalion, he won the war. So he is not a person, he is the leader of a troop. So we can write here also they, he, she, and they. You can use any one of them. Has, have into had, won the war. But my dear students, remove all the marks from reported speech, interjection mark, inverted commas, simple commas, and exclamatory words. Okay, dear students, this is your topic narration, and in next class we will discuss about the imperative sentences of narration. Thank you.